Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Hope you guys are having a great time right now. I don't know when it is for you, but for me, it's 4:10. Something has happened to my snake, and I'm not sure what happened to him. So this is my new house. You guys can see it. So let's go inside, and let's check on my snake, and I'll tell you guys what's happening then. Here's my snake. Him right there. So we're gonna have to take him out of there and put him in here so we can take him to the vet. It looks really bad. This is where I edit vlogs. I'm gonna get back into vlogging since I got that computer all set up and stuff. But here's my gecko. Here's my turtle. And my snake. So I'm not sure when we're leaving, but we're gonna be leaving here in a second. Sorry about this whole mess. It's my fly tying stuff for fly fishing. Here's my computer I built. Yeah, I built that, so it looks kind of crappy, but it's not crappy, I promise. Here's my GoPro. I use a Yi 4K action camera. It's a good budget camera that I've gotten. I've gotten a couple of these in the past. Alright guys, so it's time to leave. Let me grab my snake out of here, and I'll show you what's the problem with him. Hey. How you doing today? Come on. So, as you guys can see, let me bring him out here in the light. So, as you guys can see, his spine right here, see how it's all kind of messed up. I'm not sure what's happened to him. So, let's put him in here. Here you go, buddy. Let's put him in here. Kind of get him comfortable. There you go. There you go. Alright, let's close him up. Alright guys, we just made it to the vet for my snake. He's right down here. Sorry I didn't film on the way here, but my camera was dead, so I had to charge it in the car. We're good now though. Let's go inside and get her done. Alright guys, we have the vet. Mom's having to fill in paperwork and stuff, but we got the snake. The snake. You bird. Get in here. Glad you were out there.
Come on in here. Sorry we took the laundry. You're fine. Okay. So we've got something going on with our skin.
Oh yeah.
And does it look like mites?
No.
No, it's not mice.
Yeah, we do. When was the last time you ate?
Monday.
Monday, yeah. He won't bite, I promise.
Anything with teeth can bite.
That was just the nurse, guys. Now the real doctor's coming in here soon. But they did, because they couldn't get her temperature because it was like, she wouldn't be still enough. But that's what I'm talking about all right out here. That's what we're here for.
heating pad. Is there anything between the glass and the heating pad?
I have the heating pad inside, but it's like a low heat one, and the stuff is like on top of it.
But can he burrow under it?
No, I have it stuck to the bottom of the tank.
Right. But can his skin touch the heating pad?
Yes.
Okay. So that might be. It looks like thermal burns. So even if it's on low, they can sit on it for so long that it'll burn it. It's a little bit weird that it's not on the belly, because they usually are on their belly. But do you see him sleep? Does he sleep kind of upside down at all? No. So that's kind of the weird thing, because usually we see it on their ventrum.
So it's not, he didn't get bit by a rat?
Could have, but it doesn't really, like, why would it be just at the pressure points, right? So it could be, you know, an overwhelming infection. We can get some like vasculitis, so some vascular issues if we have a systemic infection. So that would be something on my differential list as well.
Will you sex it for us? We think it's a female, but we're not sure.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to find one of our gavage needles, and we can do that for you. But regardless if this is, you know, regardless if it's a burn or vasculitis or something like that, it's pretty severe. So we need to treat, you know, pretty aggressively with a good antibiotic, and then topically as well, you know, to see if we can get a hold of it.
So what would we need to...
Alright guys, so they're gonna keep my snake for like 3 days or something like that, and like what you heard, that's everything that she said to me, said to you, so saying to you too. Now we're gonna go home and like take out all the stuff in his tank and clean it and get it all good for him when he comes back. And it's all dark now. Alright, you guys have a good day. Alright guys, a little side note, we're here at a restaurant. We're about to go inside and get us some grub. I'll see you guys when we're inside. Alright guys, so after we ate, after you eat, remember this dude? Yep. Alright, I need an SD card reader and we're been in this Walgreens, so this is gonna be interesting. Probably over here.
Not by me. I wish it was by me.
Hopefully they got something. Alright, but they don't have it. Don't have anything I need. Found my dad. Alright guys, we are home. Where we just got home, stuff like that. I didn't end up getting that thing because I couldn't find it, as you guys saw. And I'm not going to be taking stuff out of my snake's tank right now. That'll be in tomorrow's vlog. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. Like the video. Comment down below done. And I'll give you guys a shout out. Hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Roll the outro.